Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about some technical tools. We'll be looking at some technical tools. We'll be looking at the trend, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. All right, so this is the daily chart, and you can see that the price is again is just hovering around at the 20,000 level. So the overall outlook is bearish only, but somehow we are seeing that after a fall we will see that the price will stabilize at some level, and then you will see a fall again. So this is what is happening with the cryptocurrencies nowadays. So currently, if you look at the current momentum, so the price is just taking up a support at 20,000 level. So this is the support level, and it's just you will see one day a green candle, another day you will see a red candle. So this kind of momentum is happening here. And if you look at the resistance, which is again at 22,600, so the same levels we can take it as the resistance as the support in the Bitcoin. If you look at what can happen, so maybe we can see if the price holds up this support area, maybe we can see a small rally, and then you will see a fall again. So this is what you can expect in this particular cryptocurrency. Now if I look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is almost showing the same momentum. So this is the daily chart of Ethereum, and you can see the momentum here. So again the price, the important support area, which is this one, which is at 1510. Looking at this 100 EMA, these are at the same level currently, and price is just taking a support of these two levels. So currently there is no momentum, there are very less volumes available. So looks like the price is just holding up a level of 1510, and because the price is taking up a support there, so what we can see, we can take up a resistance at 1725. So this is the resistance area, and 1510 could be the support area. So one thing which looks little interesting in case of the Ethereum, as I am again and again mentioning this point at this point in my previous videos as well, that the price is just still holding up this 100 EMA. However, looking at this whole momentum, looking at the whole price momentum, we are not very sure about the upside momentum. So we might able to see a further fall in this particular cryptocurrency, or else if we need to see more upside, we need to get more clarity, we need to get more confirmation from the price, right? So this is what we can expect in the Ethereum cryptocurrency. So I think you can expect not much momentum, and maybe we can expect some momentum by the end of the day, by the evening's time basically. So this is a dull time for the cryptocurrency trading. So this is how we can basically conduct this session, this video. And if you are liking this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also you can click on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out anything in future. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.